Here's some heirloom seeds trivia. Subscribe. What term describes seeds passed through generations? Is it A, GMO seeds, B, annual crops, C, heirloom seeds, or D, hybrid seeds? The correct answer is C, heirloom seeds. Which plant variety is known for its genetic diversity? Is it A, heirloom tomatoes, B, potatoes, C, corn, or D, hybrid carrots? The correct answer is A, heirloom tomatoes. In heirloom farming, what does open-pollinated refer to? Is it A, genetic modification, B, hybrid variety, C, cross-pollinated, or D, self-pollinating? The correct answer is D, self-pollinating. What is the primary benefit of heirloom seed preservation? Is it A, biodiversity, B, uniform crop yield, C, fast growth, or D, genetic modification? The correct answer is A, biodiversity. What technique helps maintain plant varieties over time? Is it A, crop rotation, B, soil erosion, C, seed saving, or D, hybridization? The correct answer is C, seed saving. Which gardening practice helps recover rare seeds? Is it A, fertilizer application, B, seed banks, C, composting, or D, plant propagation? The correct answer is B, seed banks. What classification includes all heirloom vegetable varieties? Is it A, organic varieties, B, hybrid seeds, C, heritage varieties, or D, GMO crops? The correct answer is C, heritage varieties. What is the age requirement for a seed to be considered heirloom? Is it A, at least 50 years, B, 75 years, C, 25 years, or D, 30 years? The correct answer is A, at least 50 years. Which seed type has a reputation for superior flavor? Is it A, standard breeds, B, genetic mutants, C, hybrid varieties, or D, heirloom varieties? The correct answer is D, heirloom varieties. Which well-known tomato variety is classified as heirloom? Is it A, Brandywine, B, Roma, C, Beefsteak, or Early Girl? The correct answer is A, Brandywine. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.